one husband will do the chimney balloon. So how much is this, Lovey?
20.
20 pounds.
$17.99.
$17.99. Oh, so $17.99 the chimney balloon. So that's the chimney. No, that's not the chimney.
Underneath, I measured the
Yeah.
size we need.
Oh, so there's different sizes. Okay, love. So what size is this, love?
And that's 12 inches by 30 inches.
Maybe that's the normal size, love. Oh, it's small. Ours is small.
Big.
Ours is big. Oh, it looks small. Right. Okay. We will show you. It's cold, guys. Because the wind is coming through, love. Oh. Okay, and there's a... Okay. That's how it is, guys.
Uh-oh.
Chuck! What are you barking for? There's no problem, Chucky. I think he's worried about you, Dad. Chucky is. Mind your head. Chuck! I can hear it. Yeah. Mind your head, baby. You think it will stop the wind coming through? Chuck, that is fine.
Uh-oh.
Okay, my love, what's the update? Mind your...
They're done.
Done? I will try to thingy the camera in there and see if they can see it.
So you put a thing in there so you don't light the fire when they
Huh?
can eat them.
Yeah, to remind you. Remember to remove your chimney balloon. Oh, that's good. Yeah, definitely, because we always use this on Christmas. There. I wonder if I can show you guys. Yeah. Yes. Okay, there, guys. So, Mahal, the wind is coming through there.
I was coming through here and then going up out. Out through the hole. So it's always coming through. So
The cold. And this one will help.
it'll stop the air going through. So.
It will stop the air going through, guys. So yeah, it's really cold actually. So that's it for the video. Thank you, Dad, for showing us. Remember to remove your chimney balloon. So yeah, Santa will come down there, Dad. Look. So easy to use, environmentally friendly, simple and effective. Tested by BSRIA. Stops warm air escaping, stops cold air sinking down, Yeah, that's true. It stops wildlife and debris from yeah! One of our fireplace got, what did you found in their lab before?
Birds,
Birds, yeah. Not in here, guys. In our kitchen. But hubby covered it now. So, there's no thingy there anymore. No fireplace there. Saves energy. Saves money. So, lab, if you're gonna use the chimney, the fireplace, you can reuse the balloon.
Yeah, we can let it down and then take it out.
That's good. So, you don't need to keep buying. Okay. Fitting. Okay. So, rear and front. Oh, so that's a different kind of chimney.
Yeah, there's lots of different types.
So, ours is this.
This.
This? How do you know that, love?
Because I already looked up there. I had to measure it, didn't I?
Oh, you're so clever. So that's our... Oh. Okay. There, guys. Oh. Removal, maintenance. Remember to remove notice. Chimney balloon is made from a special, durable, long-life plastic. Simply inflate to block the chimney cavity. If you want to use the fire, open the top to deflate it and carefully remove it. Can be used again and again and again and again and again and made in the UK. Wow, I'm happy with that. And we will check it again maybe tomorrow if it's warm now here. Not warm, but not that very, 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 very cold. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye! Guys, after a week and an update about the chimney balloon. After a 1 week of husband installing or putting the chimney balloon, yeah, after 1 week now, and there's no air coming through at all, and it's so effective. So it's worth, did he say 17.99 or less than 20 pounds? Maybe 20 including the delivery. So yes, I'm so happy with that. And the lounge is warm now. Before, oh my god, guys, you hardly see us staying here because it's so cold. Yeah, really good, really effective, really happy with it. No air coming through at all. So big thumbs up from me, and hubby's happy because I saw on the internet we were about to buy as well. If it's not effective, it's like a sheep skin. It's not a balloon, but it's like a sheep skin type, round or square that you put there. I think it's more expensive, that one, but I was about to get it if this one is not effective, but we don't have to, guys, because it's really good. Yeah, so that's an honest review. Really good value for money. And the good thing, guys, is you can use it again and again and again. So you don't need to keep buying. It will last you a long time. So honestly, guys, I'm right here and no air. Before you you're here, or as soon as you enter the lounge, the air, you can feel the air. And you know, our house is 1970s, guys, so it's cold. Thank you everyone for watching. Advent calendar unboxing. So it's quite late because I have been so busy, but hopefully I able to vlog it and open it. I haven't been opening my advent calendar because I wanna unbox it at once with you. So yes, bye.